Would you like to know how I achieved this?
Now that's another myth we need to bust. Now that's another myth we need to bust. Now that's another myth we need to bust. Now that's another myth we need to bust.
Okay, so yeah, we're up to this point where I have to show you how to set this up. And what we have here are called overlays. Overlays. They're all overlays, and you can put them over your video. Basically, you can lay them over your video. I'm going to be showing you how to do that, so watch closely. Now, there's some applications you may download, video editing applications, and they will allow you to create overlays. Basically, what they do is that they have set up overlays on the platform already as templates, and you just need to click on them and it will come in. I think platforms like Filmora has overlays. But we want to be more unique with our methods of using overlays, okay? And there are a lot of places you can get overlays. Places like, even if you go to Google and you type free overlays, let's go over there, and you type free overlays for download, you'll see a couple of sites that you can download overlays from. Let's try that, free overlays. What I like to do also is to do green screen, so it's easier to, because that's exactly what we're looking for, free overlays, green screen. Now, the thing with this is that you may get to see overlays that are free, but many of them expect you to edit using Photoshop, okay? So they have templates already designed in Photoshop, and if you don't have Photoshop, that may be an issue. So this is like a butterfly flying around. One important thing you need to know when it comes to creating overlays in our platform, VN, is that it has to come with a green screen. That's the best way to have it over your video, all right? And I'm going to show you how to do that. First, come over to Google and check. You can even go to YouTube and check for overlay templates. You may get to see, all right? Now, the easiest way to do this, which is what I did with this video you saw, is something we have overlooked, but it's right there under our noses and we're not seeing it. I'm going to take you to that platform right now. Follow me. Some of you know this app called Canva. Canva is amazing. Like, if you're still on free Canva, I need you to upgrade. It's just $12 and you'll be on Pro. Pro allows you to do magic. I'll show you. Here in the templates or designs, I'm going to choose presentation mode because this is our basic rectangle shape for videos. Yeah. So I'll click on presentation and then click on blank. We want to start things afresh. Canva has gold, but many of us do not know, especially if you're on Pro. So go get Pro version. Now, we're going to click on the plus sign. And here we're going to click on videos. With videos, you can find anything. As you can see, I already have my recently used. I'm already exploring so much in here. Click on videos and do green, or rather click on the search button I meant, and click on green screen. If you want, click on green screen overlays, okay? And then search green screen overlays. It's going to turn up here, so many options, and they are in green. If you are using a laptop, you'll be able to preview it. But I noticed that on my phone, I can't really preview it. I have to click one by one to see what is behind each of these green screen video elements, all right? So you go ahead and test it. It's allowed. Feel free, pick anyone. If you don't like it, return, come back here. But I just want to scroll down and see the options that we have available. I'm sure you can notice that some of them have this record rectangle that shows that your video is recording. Please don't go after these black ones. I'm talking about the green ones. Green, this sharp green. Yeah, the sharp green ones. So let's look at picking something here. Let's look at picking this one that is 7.0 seconds. I'm just picking blindly. And then you wait for it to load. Yes. Now that's how you know what exactly is behind it. If you're watching it on a laptop, you'll be able to preview it before selecting it. So since we're not using a laptop, I just had to preview it this way. And then you drag it. All right, you drag to the end. You drag it to the end. And you have it fit into your 9:16. All right. Even if you play it, you see what that looks like. Don't worry, this is super cool. It's green, it's the ball. I'm going to take it to our video and put it over our video. Remember, it's called an overlay. So let's save this. Click on the icon on the right, top right. Click on Save As. click on download. If you had 2 videos, you select the video in particular that you want, all right? But this is just one video, and we're going to click on download. So it's an MP4 format. Video is MP4 basically. Let's wait for that to download. Now it's in my gallery. We're going to now go back to the VN app and try this out. So do you want me to delete this? I can delete everything here and then we just do it afresh. So I'm going to delete. So we have this very short video and we want the overlay on this. We're going to click on the tap to add PIP or picture. You know what that means. And let's select what we just downloaded, which is this. What happens is that it's going to appear on top of your video. Remember, it is green, you can't find yourself, but you could hear yourself talking.
Now that's another myth we need.
And the ball is falling, but where are you? We can't find you. I'm going to show you exactly what to do next. First, select this green overlay you downloaded. Select it in the timeline. And then scroll all the way down till you find Chroma. It's right there. Chroma. Select. This key is so important when it comes to green screen. This can make magic. We're going to click on it. So we have that round circle there with a plus in the middle, and we're going to take it away to a white angle. All right, just move it around your screen until you are sure that it is now transparent. Good. So we've moved it. We have these balls now showing, but the problem is we have the round green, we have the green circle around the balls. We don't want that. We're going to now move this intensity so that they kind of disappear and to the end. Yeah. And then we click OK. Let's try it.
Now that's another myth we need to bust.
I'm sure you're like already going gaga, like I'm going to have to do this. Please feel free to do it. Go over to Canva, search, explore so many overlays you see there. Explore them, just do your search, keep finding, have fun, put over your video and make the most of this. All I did was to just follow the steps I just put you through and I was able to create this overlay easily. So go over to Canva, do the search, and let's see what you produce. All right, see you in the next video.